If you ever find this alarm when you run a program created with HSMWorks and you have a HAAS machine, um, when you run the graphics, I'm assuming you always do this just to check your program before you actually run it. Well, sometimes if your post is not correct, you're gonna have this alarm, 982 alarm, zero angle move. For some reason, the post processor is not doing the correct math, I will say, when it's doing helical interpolation. Well, to fix it on your machine, all you need to do is when that alarm occurs, when you're running the graphics, just go to edit and then delete that block, or not that block, but that bat number. In this case, it's a Y number, letter Y. So just press delete and then press memory, and then the machine or the control starts saving the program. Now the program is saved. Now push reset and repeat the process, memory, graphics, and push start again on your machine. And sometimes you have it more than one more time, because obviously depending on how many features you're machining, that's how many times you're gonna have it, of course, right? So in this case, I have like 6 candle bursts, and I'm not sure if it's gonna happen on every candle burst, but I'm just going to fix, you know, whatever is wrong. So I go to edit again and delete that number, and then push memory, reset, memory again, graphics, start. There it goes one more time. The alarm, zero angle move. So I go to edit, delete, memory, reset, and I'm gonna just try it one more time. Memory, graphics, start. This time is a different alarm, but I'm sure it's just it's a bogus alarm. It doesn't really exist. I've seen it before. So you just push reset a few times, memory, graphics, start, and there it goes one more time. And this is the last alarm I'm gonna see, because as you can see, the G53 G0 Z0 is here, so that means that this is the very end of that tool. Okay, so I'm gonna go to edit again, delete, memory, oopsie, reset. I'm just gonna push reset one more time, memory, graphics, start, and as you can see, is now it's going to the rest of the program. There is no alarm now, and on the left side you see how the control is reading all the G code, and right here you can see the cursor moving down, and this shows the percentage of the program that has been proven, I guess I can say that, or ran. And that's it. There is no alarms anymore, and all the program is there, and that's how you get rid of that alarm right on the control. The other option is to ask HSMWorks to fix your post processor. All right, that's it.